getting all this old bulkhead cut back and cleaned to original finish. Obviously it's rotted in here, so that's the best way of getting into that. You see here we've actually taken it back to the welds and got it right back to bare metal. So all these nuts were all flaking, so that's all bare metal now. And got all these welds here ground down so the level's better. And again, same issue up the back there with the back end finishes. It's going to have to be sealed nicely. As you can see, the biggest issue, of course, is that the contours have all had to be straightened back out again. And everywhere you see white filler, it's obviously not straight. Not straight in the sense that, you know, it would look wobbly if it was just painted. I've been looking at some of the other examples of these, and every one of them you can tell is rough around here. You had to go underneath these wing edges here all the way through to the back, as you can see, and all the way down these edges here, staying outside of the MacPherson strut to keep the I suppose the thing looking real. The insides of the wings and the tops of the wings have all had to be remade, so that when we look at that wing top here, we're basically seeing a flat wing, and obviously it's been re-drilled here for the new rubber stop. We've removed these spurious locks which we're working, and the catches, which again will have to be welded once we finish the preparation of the bare metal. These holes have been welded up as well because they're spurious. So it's a job for the hotter paint stripper and wire brush, basically. Get this lot back down to bare metal because the film thicknesses here are just falling off. Of course, the reality is that the material's that thick and perished on here. You just have to burn it off, literally, with a blow lamp. That then enables us to get it back to where we need to be, which is to bare metal, because there's that much of it. We've got no choice. And here we managed to braze up the hole where the side lock was with a brass infill. And that's the outer lock hole, again brazed up, along with the inner on both doors. All back to bare metal and ready for paint prep. This side's obviously got some holes to be welded up.